现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。有事情要跟你聊，但首先先教大家怎么说简单。
简单，
简单 ，That's easy, all right？ 要聊什么？就是昨天啊，你带那个饼干来，我到现在那个好想再吃啊！
真的吗？还想再吃哦
？Ah, so good。
那我教你啊，你就下次自己做啊，因为很简单啊。
哦，真的吗？真的很简单。算了，我还是负责吃就好了，你知道吗？
你有够懒嘞你
！Hey, actually, that's a good situation. We should teach you this right now. You know, sometimes you have some food, you love it so much, and they want to give you the recipe. And if you're a lazy person like I am, I'm like, you know what? I'll just eat it. I don't need to make it. 好，我们就来教这样的一个状况哈。
好啊。
OK， 你昨天带来的饼干好好吃哦。The cookie you brought yesterday was delicious.
臭本熱。
臭本熱。
帶來嘅餅誒。
帶來嘅餅誒。
很好吃的
哦。不用教了，我知道很好吃的哦。That means so delicious. 然後餅乾叫做什麼？
餅
是饼干啊。Okay, that means cookie, all right, or cracker. But Alice says, you know, it's so easy. I can teach you how to make it. 做法很简单，我可以教你做。
做法當簡單。
做法當簡單。
捱做得講唔做。
捱做得講唔做。
做法當簡單，捱做得講唔做。
做法當然是做法哈。The recipe, the way to make it is easy, 簡單。And then 你說講唔做，
就是教你做。
講that means to teach you how to make it. 做。But my answer is, you know what? I'll just eat it. That's what I'm responsible for. Okay? 我还是负責吃好了。
捱閒氣。負責食超好嘞。
負責食超好嘞。All right. 負責嘛。
負責。
OK， 負責聽起來好像很偉大哈，但我負責是什麼呢？吃。大家都會。對。That means I'm responsible for eating it. All right. Let's teach you some of these phrases right now, such as a cookie 餅乾。餅誒。And then it's delicious. 好好吃。
很好吃的哦。
很好吃的哦。Okay, that means so delicious. Oh. And then finally, to teach you, 教你。
教唔。
Okay? And it's all about the phrase this month, which is 簡單。好啦，如果那個很簡單哦，你還是教我一下。
好，我教你，下次換我負責吃。
That is today's Practical Hakka。
什麼台嘎？
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.